Hi guys and welcome. This Minecraft tutorial on the plugin Button Warp, probably one of my favourite warp plugins. /BW help shows a list of all the commands. /BW make and then the name makes the first warp, so that's where it warps to. If you decide you want to move it, so I want it on this grass block. /BW move and then the name of the one you created, so test is now on that grass block. Then you go to where your button is, you do /BW link and then the name of the warp, so now that button's warp to test. BW unlink would unlink whatever warp is associated with this button. /BW MSG for message, then the name test, and then you just type your message after it. So I'll just set my message as thanks for using test, cost $5, and then in a second I'll show you how to set the cost. So every time you use that warp it will say that. Then BW cost and then 5, that sets $5 cost for using this button. BW reward 5 would reward players with $5 for using it. Then you've got BW source test and then server, so now the money comes from the server. You can also set it to a player name, so it rewards or takes money from a certain player's money. Then BW time test, and then you've got day, hour, minute and second. So as you can see, you can use it every 1 second is the cooldown. So obviously you could set a certain warp to be used once a day or something like that. BW global, that means that it's a global button, so it's first come first serve. So if it was set to half an hour, only one person can use it every half an hour. And then obviously individual means that whoever uses it has their own individual cooldown. BW access test, and then restricted means that it's restricted to people with the permission nodes. And then public just means anyone can use this button. You don't have to have the permission node to use it. Then you've got BW max 1, that means you can use it once before it starts using the cooldown. BW deny items, it means if you try and use it with items on you it won't work. So you have to get rid of the items and then the warp will work. So thanks for using test, cost $5, as you can see that worked. Then you've got BW reset, that just resets the last few commands you've done. So it'll keep these ones, but anything associated with the button will get changed. Then finally you've got BW delete, and that will delete it. There'll be a download in the description below. As always guys, please remember to rate, subscribe and comment. Cheers.